A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for zebra, H for hat, I for igloo, J for juice, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for Nike, O for orange, P for penguin, O for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for turtle, U for umbrella, V for veggies,
W for
W for wallet, X for explore,
Y for young.
Y for young,
G for zebra.
G for zebra. Thank you.